Alright, hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel, and today I will be going inside SCP-3008 and survive. That's right, we don't know what that is. It's basically an IKEA, the infinite IKEA. We're going inside the infinite IKEA, guys. We'll see you guys inside. Okay. We're in. Alright guys, we're in. Alright. I'm now inside the infinite IKEA. Luckily, I'm during the day, so I shouldn't see any mobs. Any 001 dash 300 dash ones. I don't see anyone. I don't see any of them so far. Well, it's not one. They don't see me. That's good.
So we walked around.
Just good. Alright guys. Okay, so I'm in. Look. Okay, I'm in. Alright. Alright, so far so good guys. So far so good. I'm legit inside SCP-3008. So far I have not seen any 3008-1 so far. You guys like the survival video. Luckily this is the daytime, so it's luckily the store is during the day, so the anomalies. Luckily it's during the day, so the anomalies should be passive. So you guys don't know about anything about SCP-3008. It's an infinite IKEA, and I am inside one right now. I'm inside the infinite IKEA right now. Trick is to be with a group. Stay with the group. Alright. I see some survivors over here. I see some survivors over here. I'll let you guys know. So it's pretty, it's pretty self-external. Pretty I do see some 3008-1, but as you can tell, it's during the day, so I should be fine. Okay, I'll let you guys know if anything else happens. Okay, good. Wait, guys, I just want to show you some these arrows. Anytime that you're in the infinite IKEA, follow the arrows. They're the best way to exit. You follow. Oh, I see something.
It's gonna come out in a couple of days.
I don't. Okay. There's no 3008. That's one so far. There's none so far. This is good. Hold on. we found ourselves. We found ourselves in the kitchen aisle, where all the kitchen supplies are. Look, this would be good for this would be good for this would be good to survive. Let's just hope that they nominate. Let's just hope that it won't turn off the lights. I think when the lights are on, I think once the lights are on, then you have a more likely chance of escaping.
Well, that's how desperate he is to be doing breakfast. That's how much.
Some people say that. Oh, well, hold on. What is this? What is this? Look at this. Look at this. Legally strong. This is strong moves. Manual. Just I see it. He's 3008. Come on, guys. Okay, I'm gonna be really quiet now. Passing by 3 SCP-3008-1.
That's good, though. That's smart. That's smart.
As you guys know, this is really scary.
Me and Adrian walked the whole thing.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm in the clear now.
And we all walked past like nothing happened. We're like, oh,
I think I'm in the clear right now. We're in a clear right now. It's all good. It's all good. Another place. This is the chair aisle. I'm thinking. You can see right now. The outside. Okay, gonna go. Bye. If you guys like this survival video about me being inside and anomalies, different anomalies, if you guys like this video, please leave it like and subscribe. Anyways, we're passing through the computer section. Got some setups. Look at this gaming setup. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Some people say that the infinite IKEA can also lead into the back rooms. I don't know about you, but I don't know. Another trick to surviving the infinite IKEA, you always want to be with a group, in a group of 4, at least. If you find yourself alone, the best way to survive is
I don't know.
find a group of 4 leaves and follow the arrows.
Oh wait, this one right here. That's cool how you can lift them up.
Ooh. Right now we're inside the bedroom. The bedroom area. Guys, look. Watch. Guys, look. I see an exit. Found an exit, guys. Guys, I found. It's probably a fake one. It's probably a fake one too. I wouldn't try it. Another key thing you can do.
Yeah, I just stuck my here,
Organizers, got organizers.
Yeah, that's cool.
If I get more
Yeah.
Got good places to hide.
I can hang some gears in there.
Yeah.
Or like,
That would make a good document.
This would be like a cool place to hide it.
it's London. Oh no, it's Tacoma.
Is it Tacoma?
Yeah, it's Tacoma.
That's Tacoma.
Yeah.
Part?
Yeah.
That's DC because you're looking outside.
Like DC Tacoma.
Yeah.
Like more like.
Oh boy. Got a bunch of different rooms. Look at all these shoes, guys. Got all these shoes and stuff. Do you think that trophy's real? There's lost people. Okay. I'm gonna be quiet now. There's an SCP-3008. That's one right here. He's doing something. It's good. Now we're in the kids section. Another 3008. That's one. Oh, cool, Minecraft bed.
And on Sunday, I'll put my old recycling bin out on the curb. Yeah. For them to pick up Monday. For them to pick it up Monday morning.
We're now in the toys section, like the kids section. Good throwing objects. Good throwing objects. Okay. Passing through the cafeteria. We're passing. Once you get to the grab a cart section, you're almost out. You're almost out. When you're down here, when you get to the grab a cart section, you're almost out. You're almost there. So just guys hang in there with us. Alright, you know what? I'm gonna talk about a little bit about Deep in Nike. There's a lot of stories. There's a lot of stories about it. So normally it's an anomaly. So normally this is a place like an anomaly.
She was trying, because she wants to get like a something, like a Slurpee. It wasn't cold that day. It was like, it wasn't brisk either. It was like warm.
I hope I don't have to go here. You know what? While I'm here, might as well find. I can look for a
No, because
another.
that's like that.
I can look for. Oh, cool molds. Molds.
I see the red. I see the.
Got pillows. Got pillows. Come on. I don't know. Why? Wait, you're like. Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. Alright, guys, I'm back. And I'm in the carpet section now. So, once you get to the carpet section, you're almost there. Like, you're almost out, guys. SCP's 3008. It's not just a huge store, it's an infinite store. Guys, I found another exit. Another exit. I'm not gonna take it though, because I'm more of a group. Because I'm more of a group right now. Oh boy, this is like another throwing objects, bunch of more throwing objects. You can do something with that. I see a 3008. That's one. 3 of them. Hold on, I'll be right back. I'm in 3008. That's 1 territory. Okay, I'm good. Now we're inside the lighting area. Guys, look, we're inside the lighting area. Like I said before, as long as you follow the arrows on the floor inside the infinite IKEA, we should be good. We should be good. But gotta be careful, guys, because once the lights turn off, that means it's nighttime. That means it's nighttime. And you have to hide. Ran into the plants area. Fake plants. Oh my God, Jason. God, I'm seeing exits all over the place. And another exit. And another exit, guys. And now, you might think we're inside the back rooms, but we're not. We're still inside the IKEA. It's like, okay, the warehouse. If you manage to get inside the warehouse part of the instant IKEA, that is your time to build. Like, perfect place to build, perfect place to get materials, and perfect place to get. Also, do not get this mixed up with the warehouse level of the back rooms. Do not get this mixed up. It's hard. So, also, if you manage to find yourself inside the warehouse part of IKEA, just stay in the middle, stay in the main aisle. And I think we're almost done, guys. We're almost out. This is good. Let's see. We're almost out, guys. We're almost out. Don't worry. Let me stay silent. So a lot of these 3008 S1s don't match with me.
Yeah. I never had a plant-based dog.
It's still hot in here. I don't wear my hat.
Yeah.
Nothing's wrong with the burger.
Plant-based, yeah.
Corey.
Burgers.
Yeah, plant-based burgers. I love plant-based burgers.
Corey.
Yeah.
Do you mind being on camera?
No.
No. You want to say hi?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's going on?
So that's my friend Corey.
Yep.
We're in the Infinite IKEA together. Right now, okay. So I see the exit right now. So
They don't
we're almost out. We're almost out.
Pick hard. It's the future. Just pick hard.
We're almost out.
A lot of people don't take that.
I see the main exit right now. I see we're getting guys. We're getting out of the Infinite IKEA. Oh my guys. We survived the encounter. Okay. Guys, we survived the encounter, the Infinite IKEA. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. See y'all next time. Bye.